Oh, hello internet. We just got a new Toyota Aygo 1 liter registered on 2020. Run and drive. Apparently no, it was flat damage but no damage on it. Everything is in working order. Body wise very clean. Engine sound, let you know. I will let you to hear the voice of engine. It says, "I'm good. No problem with it." It's 1 liter 1KR engine, 1KR-B engine. Very low mileage. It done 5,000 miles. It got a rear view camera on it, and I would tell more description and more detail on description to see what is in there. I haven't driven myself this car, so I really don't know much about it. So it's electric control mirror. You can see it's all working fine. The wiper is working fine. The stereo is working. You got a USB connector, 5-speed.
So we're gonna have a song before you.
Yeah.
Before we do.
And let me know if you needed anything of it. Okay. Stay safe.